Hey there! If you are watching this video, that means yes, you are registered for the Peace Journey Workshop. I am so excited. We're going to have a great time. I promise. I promise. It's going to be a magnificent time where we are just going to be hanging out, spending time with one another, learning from one another. Amazing. But a few things. Your workshop materials will be ready by April the 20th. So look out for another email with the link to the workshop materials. So keep your eyes out for that. And please make sure that Take the Journey email or Daughters of Destiny email is not going to your junk mail. Also, the Zoom link will be sent at that time as well. I also want to put this disclaimer out. This is going to be an interactive workshop. So come with your thoughts, your feedback, your experience. There is so much that we can learn from one another. And then I get it. There's some of you who are like, I don't like talking in front of people. We won't put you on the spot. That's okay. But just know that this is a space where your thoughts, your feelings, and your experience, it matters. And it can be such a blessing to so many other women. You know, we don't go through what we go through for ourselves. We go through it to help someone else. And when we can take our life's experiences and we can help someone else come out of what they are currently going through, God is so pleased. And that's giving. Giving isn't always money all the time. It's giving of your time. It's giving of your testimony. And here is a space where you can come and you can give by ways of your wisdom, your knowledge, and your love. I hope and pray to see you on April the 24th. Remember, another email is coming out with the workshop materials. Don't complete the materials before the 24th, April the 24th. We're going to do that together as a family, as a sisterhood, all right? And invite someone else. Invite your sister, your cousin, your aunt, your mom. Invite that special someone, that special sister in your life, that special friend, that person who you know can benefit from this type of setting. It's free. Registration is free. The only thing you need to do is submit your name and your email address, and we are sending you the information. That's it. The only investment you're going to be making on that day is an investment of your time. And I believe that God just has something so special for you when you come out and you be with us on that day. There may be something on your mind that you've been searching for with regards to answers and direction. And when we come together in settings like these, I know that's been my experience, that all of a sudden things start opening up, making sense. I look at things in a way that I didn't see before. There's so many benefits to getting together with your sisters. So I hope to see you on April the 24th, 11 o'clock to 11:45. If you've come to any of our other workshops, yes, we do end on time. Okay, God bless you and see you soon. Bye-bye.